Do I want to do something more fast-paced?
The speed of things here is amazing.
There is so much room to grow.
To see a project you've been working on come together.
Here at SharkNinja, our early talent program has over 300 people come in during the year for different internships and co-op positions, engineering to marketing to positions in sales globally as well.
I was really surprised with the autonomy I had. You're a new co-op, but you're in charge of the engineering for this project now.
At another internship or co-op, you might accomplish one thing during your entire period of time working there. Here, you're gonna get 6 different versions of that accomplished and leave with so many tangibles, what we call the early edge experience.
I feel like I have a lot of ownership over the projects I work on, being able to drive a lot of the early stage development projects.
We have such a unique culture. It's a fast-paced place to be.
It's a really nice community. People felt very open to answering my questions, and it made it really easy to get integrated.
At SharkNinja, we're a company of problem solvers. It's a great environment for you to be able to make an impact right away as an early talent individual.
I think SharkNinja was the perfect place where I can learn new skills and also contribute.
So many people started as a co-op and then converted into full-time.
I loved being a co-op here. There is so much room to grow, which allowed me to transition over to that full-time role really easily.
It's not just an early talent program. This is an opportunity for you to make an impact right away.